In the fast-moving world of news, it's easy to miss the meaning between the lines. That's where we come in. Each episode, we take real headlines from Newsline Philippines and let AI break them down. Not just the what, but the why it matters.
This is the brief on AI-powered tools boosting small businesses in Northern Mindanao. Okay, so here's the gist. The Department of Science and Technology, or DOST 10, right? They're really pushing artificial intelligence and new tech as a growth driver up in Northern Mindanao. And importantly, they're targeting the grassroots, the micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs. First off, the big push is to equip these MSMEs with tech solutions that are actually, affordable and make sense for them economically. Now, Northern Mindanao is a major hub for agriculture and food processing. So the goal, according to DST 10 Director Romela Ratila, is pretty straightforward. Help these local businesses grow, compete better, and crucially, create jobs and income. Second, let's talk tools. What are they actually using? Well, things like AI-driven analytics, process automation, digital platforms. Think stuff that helps modernize traditional industries. We're talking streamlining how things run, cutting costs, maybe helping predict demand better, and getting them access to new online markets, like e-commerce. And it seems confidence in this science-based approach is growing, because 3 enterprises have already pledged to adopt the tech shown off recently. Finally, this whole regional effort lines up perfectly with the bigger picture, the National Philippine AI Roadmap that kicked off back in 2021. That roadmap envisions the Philippines becoming an AI center for excellence. So this strategy makes sure that MSMEs, which, get this, make up like 99% of all businesses in the Philippines, are absolutely part of that national digital shift. So yeah, by strengthening these local value chains and really leaning into innovation, Northern Mindanao is aiming to be a model for how you get inclusive growth done.